Hey guys, welcome back to our hairstyling video. So today we will be making this beautiful hairstyle. So till now you must have followed these steps. So further we will proceed by making the plaits like this on the one side. Follow the same step for the other side as well and it's ready. Next we will tie the hairs like this. Put a beautiful hair clip on it. Now fix it by making the plaits. Fold it and it's ready. Next we will tie the hairs like this on the sides. Now we will make the bun using this bun making tool. Roll it upward and fix it using this hair clip and it's ready. Next we will use this ribbon to make the hairs. Take this ribbon and put it on the hair like this. Now fix it by making the plaits. Make the plaits very carefully. First divide the hairs into two sections. Now your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will tie the hairs into three sections like this. Now we will put this beautiful hair clip on the hairs to rotate it. Now make the plaits, fix it on the sides, roll it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will tie the hairs like this. Make the plaits, fix it on the top like this. Now roll the hairs around to make the bun and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will put this beautiful hair garter on the hair like this after fixing them into each other. Now put the hairs into it one by one as we are doing. Do it carefully, do not break your hairs. After it is done, your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will tie the plaits on the hair like this. Now take the hairs from both the sides, rotate it and put this beautiful hair clip and it's ready. Thanks for watching.